Managing scheduling and dispatch of hundreds of jobs every day is challenging. Not anymore with Zapium. Let's explore how AI-powered scheduling and dispatch management enable you to perform your work in minutes, not hours. This is where you land when you open the dispatch module. You will see all the work orders in the left that are due for scheduling or dispatch. From the top, you may select Gantt or Map View. In the left, you have an option to select as many work orders as you want to schedule and dispatch. Let's select all the work orders for now. Now, you may either click Auto Schedule or Dispatch. When you do that, the system runs AI-based matching algorithm that matches on multiple parameters like competency, vicinity, certifications, distance from last job, etc., and automatically assigned the best technicians to the work order. So you can easily schedule hundreds of jobs at one go, saving you tons of time and the overwhelm that spreadsheets and scheduling boards bring. You may expand individual job details by clicking this icon. If the work order doesn't have an assignee yet and you want to check the system recommended technicians, then click Add Assignee. This new window will open that will show the system recommended agents, if any. To filter the data based on geography or territory, click this globe icon from here. To filter the work order data based on various parameters, click this icon. It will open a new section where you may filter the data, and once applied, the work orders you see in the left will repopulate based on the filters. If you want to access data related to any specific technician or worker, you may search in this search bar or click on that employee in the list below. This icon here helps you filter the data based on skills. That is, only those technicians with selected skills will populate in the list below. This helps you in planning, scheduling, and dispatch based on competency and certifications. Click Gantt to switch to the Gantt chart view for visual scheduling representation. You can easily reschedule or reassign a work order using drag and drop feature. For example, click this work order currently assigned to Joseph for 21st October and drag it to assign to Oliver for 22nd of October. Click Flexible AirTech Demo. Automate ink, cleaning QR restroom, AC1, property inspection again to confirm the selection. You may click this work order icon in the Gantt view to get an overview of the activity and verify any details. So this was a quick overview of how you can seamlessly manage your scheduling and dispatch operations with Zapium's AI-powered dispatcher. Feel free to reach out to hello@zapium.com for any questions.